Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing kind of like tutorial, doing my own nails. My nails have been struggling because since quarantine started, I haven't been able to get my nails done. So I took matters into my own hands and I actually ordered a box to do my own nails. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna be going over kind of like where I got it and things like that, so you guys can also know. And I also will be putting the link down below, so if you guys are interested in getting this box, then feel free to do so, because that would be super cool if you guys were doing your guys' own nails. And maybe you guys will even start doing them yourself, because it is a cheaper alternative. So that would be super cool if you guys can save a buck or two. Well, more than a buck or two. So this box that I am going to be showing you guys, when I bought it, it was $35.99, but I looked at the price again and it's $40. Just search in polygel nail kit and there's different varieties, but the one that I ordered specifically skyrocketed $5 more. I mean, I shouldn't be saying skyrocketed because that might not be the word for it, but $5 is a pretty big of an increase, I think. I don't know, but yes, so now it's $40, but when I bought it, it was $35.99. So yeah, but it came with a lot of stuff, you guys. So I'm gonna be kind of showing you guys what it came with. And yes, so I'm gonna be going over what is included in this box. Package that I got includes 4 poly nail gels here, and they're all different colors. I am going to be putting a picture right here so you guys know the colors that came in this box, because they are different colors. So here they are. LED nail lamp, top coats, base coats, 50 nail mold tips, dual ended nail brush and spatula. So at the end of this is the spatula, and on this end is the brush, a nail cleaning brush, nail sanding file, nail file, 1000 crystal nail rhinestone thing, and then 1000 silver rhinestones. So there's colorful rhinestones and there's also just regular glitter rhinestones. So let me show you guys so you guys know. 5 gold nail stripping tape line. So I don't know what this is, but this is what it looks like. 2 toe separators, nail polish remover wipes, nail clipper, cuticle fork, nail stickers, glass cup, cuticle oil, nail liquid. So with no further ado, I'm gonna get right into the directions. Like I mentioned before, I haven't watched any videos on polygel whatsoever because I wanted to give my own thoughts and my own review on it. So I am going to be doing this straight from everything that I'm learning from this piece of paper. So let's get right into it. I also pulled aside 0.1, which is it's like a peachy kind of gel. I also grabbed 0.7, which is the clear gel, and I want to put it on my ring finger because I did buy these super cute little how do you say, like little things that you can put inside of it. I don't think I'm gonna be using this Coco Chanel ones, but I am gonna put another little clip right here so you guys can see them better. But they're so freaking cute, you guys. They're just the little CCs, and I'll show another little video so you guys can see what they look like. But I think I am going to be using these little butterflies. They're just cute, and they're pink, purple, and hot pink. So first step, it says to buffer and clean your nails. So I've already cleaned my nails. I already cut my cuticles and everything. So I'm ready to just jump right in. Here I'm just going in with my nail file to file down my natural nails. I'm also going to go in and file down the tops of my nails so that way I can take off the natural shine. That way the polygel will stay on for a longer period of time. After filing my nails, I'm going to go in with my base coat and coat all of my nails. After that, I'm going in with my LED light and curing them. I've already already laid out all of my tips here and matched them to my nails. I'm gonna put a little bit of this nail liquid inside of this little container because that's what helps spread the gel. So I'm gonna do that first. And then what it says is to put a little glob of this 0.1 gel. This is the 0.1 gel, which is a little bit of a peachy color. And I'm just gonna put the gel right here. Before I move on, the first little line is where you put the glob of polygel, and the other lines are how far in length you can go with the polygel. And then you're supposed to get the nail spatula and kind of like rub it in just a little bit. Then what you do is you get your brush and you dip it in this liquid and you just kind of brush it and it glides. Do you see how easily it glides with this liquid stuff? Do not spread it with the spatula. You're supposed to do it with this liquid and this brush. So okay, so here's how the nail should look. And now all you have to do is place it on top of your actual nail, like so. After placing the polygel tip on my actual nail, I'm just going to put it under the LED light for 120 seconds to cure the polygel to make it hard. So I'm also going under my nail now that I did 120 seconds. It still doesn't seem done, so I'm just making sure that everything's flat before I put it right back in. So I'm gonna put it back in again. So now that I cured it, I can just supposedly pull it off, but it seems, oh yeah. And it just pops right off. Look at that, you guys, that's so freaking weird. See, so I guess you can reuse these little molds, but yeah, you guys, that's what it looks like. Now that you're done with the nail, you're able to file it down however much you would like. You can also cut it if you would like, but I'm just filing it down, and I'm also making it into a coffin shape. This is the top coat here, and it says to apply the top coat and then put it under the lamp again. Okay, so that is the very first nail, you guys. Not bad for my very first time ever doing this. So I am gonna just do my other nails, these three, and then I'm gonna come back to this one because this one's the one that I'm gonna be doing a little bit different. Here are the nails that I have done so far, and now I'm gonna go in and do my ring finger. Okay, you guys, so I just finished doing my hand. I highly recommend polygel because polygel is so freaking easy, you guys. I didn't know how easy it was to do, and I did mess up a little bit. I mean, they're not the best, as you can see, but I did want to do my first ever time doing this and then my final like outcome and how I was able to do it. And like I mentioned before, I haven't watched any videos on polygel before because I wanted to give my honest review on it. And honestly, I think that it is totally worth it because every single time that I go to the salon 2 times a week, well, not 2 times a week, what am I saying? twice every month, I meant to say. I spend $40 every time that I go. And my husband's over there watching like, what? I tell him it's only like $10. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, yeah, I spend $40 every single time that I go, which is $80 every month. And I spent less than $40 on this kit. And it's gonna last me quite a while because I still have all kinds of uses. It came with 4 little tubes of polygel. So it is 100% worth it, you guys. I think that it was super easy to do. It's not difficult at all. And it came with detailed instructions on how to do it. So it was super easy. And yeah, you guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe and notification button so you guys are notified every single time that I upload. And have a great day, guys. Bye.